with the onset of COVID, we had to move into an e-auction platform. E-auction platform that we did was developed in 6 days. It was a minimal viable product. We used Stax for 2 purposes. The first was to establish a transparent process to select a new vendor to create this e-auction platform for us. Because it's an industry body, there are many stakeholders. The first thing that Stax did was establish a transparent process for us from an RFP to which we generated, then to many stages where we evaluated various different vendors. Stax played a key role. They basically managed this whole process for us and helped us in trying to generate the correct answer for ourselves. The second part where Stax got involved was they were involved in managing the implementation of the project. They acted as an interface between the vendor and between the steering committee, which comprised of T-estate producers, brokers, and as well as exporters. Stax is now helping us to work with the vendor and to further enhance features of the e-auction